Universities and colleges are very big institutions with a lot of people, so making new friends can be a task. Now, this video will show you 2 tips on how that task can be made easier. Tip number 1 is to smile more. What smiling will do is make you seem more friendly, approachable, engaged, and happy versus if you have a frown on your face, because that way the person sees that you're not engaged and that you don't want to be there. Tip number 2, and this is the harder one, is that you have to be willing to engage and initiate the conversation. Because in most cases, the person you want to become friends with is feeling the same way as you. They're also scared to approach you and to talk to you. And so, if you are the one willing to initiate the conversation, it makes it easier for both people to feel safe and to feel less stress on themselves in trying to make friends. And so, if you're willing to initiate the conversation, it will eliminate a lot of these tensions that may exist and it will make it easier to talk to people. These are just 2 of the ways that you can make new friends. These are simple, effective, and honestly don't require a lot of work, but they do work, which is why I recommend applying these 2 tips into your own life if you want to make new friends and be more approachable in college or university.